So the Five Shorts project has been awesome, and the red carpet event is the best part of it. It gives you a chance to showcase your work and makes you feel special all at the same time.
I am super excited to be here. I've had making a film on my vision board for 2 years, and now my book is now a movie thanks to Five Shorts, who made this such a wonderful experience. And Shamika brought my dreams to life, and I am super grateful.
I didn't know filmmaking was so accessible, you know what I'm saying? And once Shamika and the Five Shorts program, they put it in my hands, man. I'm just running wild with it. You know, can't get enough.
First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to Shamika, Five Shorts. You made my dream, you made my passion come true to light.
I am just so humbled and grateful to Shamika Sawyer of the Five Shorts Project, because it is really her vision to teach little to no experience individuals the filmmaking process.
Just for the platform that she has given us today to do what we can do to further our dreams and our pursuits, and just like making our creative endeavors come true.
The Five Shorts Project is amazing. It's a great program that nobody in the city or even in the world is doing, introducing new people to filmmaking and teaching them the entire process of creating films. Shamika's doing a great job. It's unmatched.